Hi, kids! Today, we're going to learn the fantastic letter F. At first, let's learn how to write the letter F. Big F goes line down, line across the top, and line across the middle. Small f goes curve down, then a line across the middle. Trace the letter F in the air with me. The letter F makes the sound f like this. F, f, f. Can you try it? F is for frog. A frog jumps in the pond. F is for fries. Yum! Crispy fries are so tasty. F is for fish. A fish swims fast in the water. F is for flower. A flower is bright and smells sweet. F is for fox. A fox has a fluffy tail and pointy ears. F is for foot. We walk and run using our feet. F is for fan. A fan keeps us cool on hot days. F is for finger. We have 10 fingers to draw and play. F is for fork. We use a fork to eat our food. F is for friend. A friend is someone kind and fun. Now say the words again with me. Frog, fries, fish, flower, fox, foot, fan, finger, fork, friend. See you in the next letter. Bye! Don't forget to press like, share, and subscribe.